guys, it is Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with a very massive new releases. I have moved my new releases video back to Wednesday. It's been that way for like 3.5 years since I started doing new release videos. It honestly might even be like 4+ years of doing new release videos every single week. So I feel like doing them on Monday just makes no sense to my habits. But this is a huge release weekend. I feel like every week here on out is going to be a huge release. I just have so much that I want to release. So much good stuff. So there's just honestly a lot. And then Emily just texted me that I should add something else to the ring. Okay, we'll just go ahead and do that too, Emily. So we're also going to be releasing this notepad. So I did sneak this notepad also on my stories, and I'll show you guys. Actually, yeah, I have a little like example of how I use it. So I have washi, I have acetate, I have vellum, pockets, notepad, foil, all kinds of stuff. Let's go ahead and show you guys the wiggle this week first. I don't even know where to put all of this. Okay, so this week's wiggle is a little different. So I had been doing, I think for 4 weeks or 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, we were doing a matte wiggle, and this is a glossy wiggle. So I wanted to try some different paper types, and I figured doing a glossy on white would just be really neutral and something that you could totally use. A lot of you guys have requested in the past white washi as well as white header overlays. I mean, all of these items have been requested in white just because white is a neutral, and you can pull these into any spread that you're going to be using your foil with. So I figured rose gold was a perfect one to start out with. It's beautiful, and I like, especially with the rose gold is like a little bit more of a matte rose gold if you have any of our rose gold stuff. So it looks really beautiful against the glossy. The glossy might look a little bit different. Let me find a sticker sheet. Let me see something I'm not going to use. Let me grab something real quick. So here we go. So it looks different than the matte, of course, because it is glossy. I just wanted to try some different stuff. I'm going to go ahead and give you a sticker swatch so you guys can see it on the actual sticker paper. So let's go ahead and grab this little YouTube. These are so perfect for just like your basics. But on our paper, since we do have glossy paper, it just looks seamless. Like as far as the texture goes, it looks super beautiful together. Like you can't even tell really a texture difference, which I really love. And I just feel like all of these being white is just such a good neutral to have. I feel like this might be like a line, the white ones that kind of sell out super fast, just because I feel like, just think of the possibilities. I think I brought home 5 sets, and I think I might bring home at least another 10 sets just to have on hand. Especially like the washi is perfection. Again, you could pair it with anything. Like all of these, it's just all perfection. So can't wait to hear you guys have to think about this, especially the icons too, because they are white, which is just really nice. And these again will go with like any kit you have that you're going to use rose gold with, but I love these. So this is the same format as the last wiggles. It's just a different paper texture. So the last ones were matte and these ones are on the glossy paper. So this pricing will be the same. You could buy all 5 for $10, or you can buy each sheet individually for $2.45. So that is this week's wiggle. It is white with rose gold glossy, and I am so excited for it. It is just, it's everything I've always wanted. I wanted to do white with foil for a long time just because it's something I know I personally will use a ton. So I'm really excited to hear what you guys think, and I think it's going to be a really good Wiggle Wednesday. Now let's move on to the kits, or let's do everything that's not a kit first, because then I can kind of like get these out of the way. So that'll be available Wednesday at noon Eastern, and let's go over all of the non-kit items first. First thing here is we do have a notepad, which this is on a marble, so it's a little hard to see, but let me go ahead and show you guys how I was using it. So I'm using this to write down all of the things that happened in the week so I can move them into my planner, but you can use this as a pre-planning pad. So if you guys see here, it is a notepad, it's not a sticky pad. It is, I believe, 5 by 7. I'll note that in the listing. And it has 8 boxes: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And then you have an empty box here. There is a light grid throughout, very light. I wanted to keep it pretty minimalistic, but it's just a beautiful notepad. We did weekly pads before, and they sold really well. So I wanted to do something a little bit different, and I brought home, I think, 6 of these because I plan on using these every single week for my planning, and I just love the marble and the faux gold glitter designs. Those will be available this Friday. Then we have some new acetate pockets as well as some new acetate and vellums. I did mention in my last new releases video that I wanted to kind of move away from doing specialty papers in the actual TN kits, just because it's kind of a lot to like design new ones for all of them, and also I think a lot of people are moving to kind of like wanting to pull things from their collection and kind of build their own kit. So I want to kind of streamline the TN kits. I guess we're calling them deco kits now. And do things that are like in shop. We do have a bow version of this as well as a bow version of acetate currently in the shop, and it comes in 4 foils in the little pack. So you have the gold, the silver, our rose gold, and then also the hollow. I do want to mention that these 4 little stars down here are cut off, so I am going to discount the bundle a little bit just to kind of note that. So that is the little pocket pack. So we do have stars. Along with the star theme, we do have some acetates here. So another one, this is like our bow one that we have in the shop. Let me move these. So we have all 4 foils. So you have the gold with these stars. They're just little stars, really pretty. Very similar to the ones in Accio Pink, the silver, the rose gold, and then the hollow. The bow ones sold really well. It's just nice to have like all of them in your collection for whenever you're doing different setups. So that is the first acetate pack. Actually, that's the only one because we do have the bows in the shop already. And then I have 2 vellum packs here. Ugh. So the first one is the stars. So I'm kind of trying to do different themes, and I'll add more themes, as we go on. But right now we'll have bows and stars. So the stars has the gold, the silver, the rose gold, and then the hollow. And I just love this star pattern. It's not super, what's the word? Like, not organized, but it's not super like symmetrical or anything, which I really like. It just looks kind of like scattered stars. So that is the first vellum pack, and these are sold in packs. And I'm going to do different designs in the future too, just so that you have different options when purchasing. And then the last one is bows, because right now, like I said, we do have the bows in the pockets as well as the bows in the acetate. So I wanted to add the bows in the vellum. I love the texture of vellum. It's so pretty. So those are in all 4 foils as well. And then I think I mentioned that in Accio Pink, that'll be the last one that we do specialty papers, and also the last one that we do foiled die cuts. Just want to definitely streamline the process of TN kits. Then we also do have some washi coming out this week. It's kind of like my summer kind of idea here. So we just did solid colors. I feel like a lot of people really love solids, and a lot of people wanted non-pink washi, so I wanted to oblige. So we do have obviously one pink, hot pink, and it does have the like hot gold foil, which is super pretty. And then there's also a blue. I wanted to do some really pretty brights. There's the blue. And then here is like a really pretty lime green / yellow. And then we also have this green here as well. So these will be available in a set, and they're kind of like summer colors. I really love these. They kind of match a mystery coming up soon. So super pretty, and they have that hot gold foil. So this will be available in a pack of 4, but definitely for a lot of non-pink lovers, there's some different colors in there as well. So these are the washi set that's coming out this week. Then we have some foil items this week. You might have caught a glimpse of them, but I am bringing Holo to the shop as a permanent staple item. We do have, I believe, a Holo wiggle pack in shop, but I wanted to bring back some of the most popular items, and I will be stocking some releases in the future in Holo as well. Not every release will be in Holo, and we do have some more Holo items coming from past releases as well. I just couldn't release, a bazillion Holo things in one just because fulfillment. So I'm just going to show you guys these. You guys have all seen these designs before. The first one here is the SPC labels. These have SPC Happy Meal, SPC New Releases, and SPC Wiggle Wednesday. We have the larger icons. We have the date numbers. A lot of people have been messaging me asking about the, the basic 3 foil date numbers, and I do have those on order. They should be here this week or next week. And then there's also the chunky glitter headers, the chunky full box overlays, the flag overlays. These are all in Holo, and how this will be listed is they'll just be in the listing. So like, let's say for this one, there is the all 3. So you have silver, gold, rose gold, all three, and then underneath it will be hollow, so it won't be included as like an all four. It'll just be by itself. And then this is the polka dot design. That one was a well-loved one. This is the double stroke. Sometimes hollow is a little bit hard to see on the white, just like silver. And then the larger food icons, and then the smaller food icons. So those are all of our foil releases for this week. We do have a lot of Holo, and I know you guys are going to be super excited about that. Then I have some kits for this week. We have 2 exclusive ones that I'm really excited to show you. I have one reformat. This is the Jessica kit that came out last year. This is a mini kit exclusive because it is a reformat. And this is super cute. So this was the second colorway design. This was a super top selling kit last year. This is a mini kit, and it's in our new mini kit format, which is super cute. And you guys told me that I do not have to, well, the majority was I don't have to flip through the mini kits, but I'm going to flip through one every video just in case you didn't know. But the mini kit, the only page that's like exclusive to the mini kit is this one. And then it always comes with the full boxes, the functional page, the deco page, and then the bottom washi page. So there is that. And also whenever you're purchasing, you can totally, there's like a second photo. So there's like always the front photo, and then the second photo always has all of the sheets laid out, just in case you want to double check what comes with each kit. Then there is also the glitter header page. I will add the label sampler. You guys have been really liking that one. And then there is the 15mm washi strip. So definitely we'll add the label one. You guys have been loving that as well. Then let's go on to the other non-exclusive kit. So this kit here is called Movie Night, which I am so excited about. This is not exclusive art, but I just think it's such a fun color scheme, and it's definitely great for like an anytime in the summer kit. So love these colors. So let's go ahead and go through the kit first, and then I'll show you guys the little freebies. So this is the full boxes page. Just how cute is this? I love the purples with like the really pretty like deep pinks. So this is the color scheme here. You have your functional, your half boxes. You have your extra full box here, which I thought was really cute and kind of romantic. And then you have your squared off boxes here. You have your little things, your headers, your deco, and your other functional items here. And then you have your bottom washi. This is what the 15mm add-on looks like. Love the contrast there. And then let me go ahead and show you guys the other things. There is the label sampler if you want to add that on. There is also the glitter sampler if you want to add that on. And then there's also tall girl boxes. I've been really loving doing the tall girl boxes because I feel like a lot of artists draw really cool like full length girls, and you never really get to see like the full length of them. So if there's like girls that I feel like the full length is like real dope, I'm gonna definitely do like tall boxes. And you guys have been really liking them, been selling really well. So that is the ultimate kit. Then it also does come, of course, with the little munchkin freebie. And then the coolest thing ever is this. So I decided I really love this little movie slate, but I didn't want to just put one movie title in it. So let me go ahead and zoom you in. So what I decided to do here was I just picked a bunch of kind of like classic-ish, like summer movies, like movies I'd watch in the summer, just kind of cult classic movies. So I have a bunch over here. There's a bazillion, as many as I could fit. And then you can just go ahead and put that in the little featuring area. And then you have kind of like a little custom box here with any of these that you want to do. I mean, you could totally also just use like a white pen, like if you have a fine tip white pen, and just write a movie in there. But I just tried to pick some kind of like more quintessential movies that aren't like, that are kind of like a little bit more timeless, I guess. But I really love this, and this will come in both the ultimate and the mini, which I just think makes it an ultra special kit, just because it just has something a little extra to it, and you can kind of have like a movie night. It doesn't have to necessarily be going to the movie, because I feel like this is kind of like an at-home kind of feel. And just pick a movie from the list, or just do whatever you want to do, and there you go. That's what you got. So that is the ultimate kit, and then like I said, the mini also does come with that freebie as well, just because I thought it was something extra special that both of them should for sure have. So that is Movie Night. Does come in a mini and a ultimate. Then we do have 2 exclusive collections. We have our exclusive 4th of July collection. I don't plan on doing, it does come in a mini kit too. I don't plan on doing any more exclusive art collections for the 4th of July, but like any other holiday, I don't know what other artists are going to be putting out, so I don't know if I will do any more. Kind of just depends on what people put out and if it tickles my fancy. So this is an exclusive art collection, so you will not find this art anywhere else, and just wanted to kind of go like really classic, like American 4th of July. So this has kind of the classic red, white, and blue colors and just a lot of different fun stuff in there. Really love the navy kind of add-on though, so it kind of makes it a little bit more modern. You have the little sparklers, I think are so cute. Your functional page, your half boxes. I love the little stars throughout. Your little things, your ombre heart checklist, and then your bottom washi, which is super pretty. You do have the option if you want to add on the 15 millimeter. There is an option for the label sampler. There's also an option if you want to add on the glitter headers. And then there is also an option if you want to add on the tall boxes, which is how cute is this little high-low skirt. I love her like red nails. Super cute. So you have a bunch of different skin tone, hair color options there. And that is July 4th. And like I said, this is exclusive art, so you will not find it anywhere else. And it is super beautiful. I think it'll look beautiful with silver or holo. So really excited about that. So that is July 4th. And then last but not least is the longest awaited kit, I feel like, and this is our Pride kit for this year. This is an Ultimate Kit exclusive. The colors kind of like took me forever to figure out, and then I was like, I don't know how I'm gonna figure this out for a mini, so we're just doing an Ultimate Kit exclusive, which we haven't done one in a while. And normally with exclusive art in the past, I have done Ultimate Kit exclusives, so this is an Ultimate Kit exclusive. So you have your little freebie here, which is just black and white, which I think is really cute. So this kit, color wise, you're gonna kind of have to just use your imagination on how this would look throughout the week, just because there is a lot of different colors going on. So let's go ahead and go through this. So you have your full boxes here, which are super cute. You have the different couples. You have a girl, a dog, a bunch of different Pride stuff. Love the rainbow. I just really love this kit. You guys know that I love doing a Pride kit. I did an exclusive one last year, and I know the big question is going to be how this looks with the rainbow wiggle, and let me tell you what's going to look real cute. So here is the rainbow wiggle. We actually were going to do a different colorway, but I know a lot of you guys got the rainbow wiggle to use at the Pride kit, so this is the rainbow wiggle with it. It's like really perfect, like real perfect, and I am super excited to use it. I'll be using it in June, of course. Let me know if you guys want this as a monthly. I wasn't sure how I would do the colors as a monthly. I was thinking maybe about doing just like black and white for the monthly, just because I didn't want to just do 4 colors, so it's kind of like all over. You guys will see. So you have this page here with your deco, and then you have, you know, the more purpley colors in here. Then you have the rainbow, the flag, you have like a rainbow glitter, your icons, you have your functional, which has a bunch of different colors in it as well, your half boxes, your headers, and your pattern washi, your little things, which are kind of like your little things, and then your, I can't think of the word, fancy labels, and then your ombre heart checklist, and then you have your bottom washi. Then you have your 15 millimeter if you want to add that on. You have the glitter sampler, which I decided to do 2. So this one has 3 of each glitter header along with this little skinny strip, just because I had a little bit of room. So you have 3 of each color along with the skinny strip. And there's also an option if you wanted to do the black, and I think this would look really cool with the rainbow wiggle on top of it, TBH, but this would also be cool. These would also be great if you want to pick up for just to have like multicolor, like to have black 15 millimeter washi, to have black glitter headers, and then also these, so this is an option. And then I also have these, which are label samplers, which will be available individually, which again would make a great multicolor. And then there's also the tall girls, which how cute are these? With their, I don't know if you can see, I don't know, it might be easiest to see on this girl here. She has like a rainbow highlight, which I'm just in love with. So that is the collection here, and I am super excited with it. I'm excited about how it turned out. Again, this is also exclusive art, so you will not see this art anywhere else, which makes it super duper special, and this will be available as an ultimate exclusive on Friday as well. So that is everything for this week's new releases. I hope you guys liked all of the releases. I know there's a lot, but that's just, April is a busy month for us. We do have our 5-year at the end of the month as well, which I'm really excited about. My birthday is this month. is a lot of things, but again, I hope you guys liked everything, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!